Lolo BBM, tila yan ang pahiwatig ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na excited ng magkapok. Pero bukod dyan, alam nyo rin ba na minsan ding naging designated cook ang ating Pangulo? May ulat si Hazel Cordelia.
Hindi lang Pangulo ng bansa, isa ring mapagmahal na asawa at ama. Sa kanyang pinakabagong podcast, ibinahagi ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang kanyang personal na buhay sa likod ng politika. Sino bang mag-aakala na si Pangulong Marcos, designated kusinero pala ng pamilya?
I kind of
What's
try.
your favorite Ilocano dish, for example, that
Me?
you prepare? Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's easy. Pakbit.
Stage husband din ng presidente at proud na proud sa achievement ng kanyang misis na si First Lady Liza Arneta Marcos. Mula sa mga programa niyang Love for All na nagbibigay ng libreng medical service, rehabilitasyon ng Pasig River hanggang sa restoration ng Philippine International Convention Center. Saludo si Pangulong Marcos kay First Lady.
She just doesn't let go of something. Once she gets hold of something and she decides to do it, she actually gets it done. And she's very effective.
Yeah.
She's a smart girl.
Close rin sa kanyang tatlong lalaking anak na sina Ilocos Norte Congressman Sandro Marcos, Joseph Simon at William Vincent. Magkakaiba man ang personality, abay, relate raw sa kanilang airpods.
And each one is very different.
Yeah.
But they all crack me up. They all make me laugh
Okay.
a lot.
Pero ang tanong, bet na kaya ng presidenteng maging lolo at magkaapo?
Well, I'm at a stage in my life where I would say, yes, please.
Really?
But I would also add, good luck.
Okay.
Knowing my sons, good luck with that.
Kalezal Pardilia para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.